In this video, I'm going to guide you through the full Poland national visa application right after completing the preliminary registration. Many people get confused at this stage, so I will show you exactly what to do step by step. Open the email received after preliminary registration. Then after opening, let's open, it's loading. Let's give it time. Okay, that is our email. After submitting your preliminary visa application, you will receive second email within 48 hours. This email contains a verification message and a special link. Click the link. It will take you to a page that says your preliminary application has been successfully verified. In the next step, please complete the full application. Below that, click fill in register form. So we have to click first the link. Click the link, then it will take you to a page that says your preliminary application has been successfully verified. In the next step, please complete the full application. Then below that, you will see fill in register form. This opens, then after clicking, this opens the national visa application form. Okay. And then we have application for national visa. We have personal information section. Okay, we have to fill that one. Some fields are already filled automatically from your preliminary registration. Remember, when we did our preliminary registration, we filled some forms. Now they are automatically filled. Now complete the remaining details exactly as they appear in your passport. Like date of birth, okay, place of birth, such things, city and the country of birth, e.g. Kenya, Uganda, India, Nigeria, Zimbabwe, Uganda, any South Africa, etc. You have to fill as per your country where you are born from. Then in nationality also you have to fill. Okay, we have to fill all personal information section. Gender, marital status, yeah. So gender, we have to feel like us, like male, female, it depends with you. Marital status, like this one is single. Then national identity number is optional. If your country has a national ID, you may enter the number. This field is optional, not mandatory. Okay, passport details, fill in passport number, date of issue of your passport number, then date of expire. Issued by you, like for me is I'm a Kenyan, so government of Kenya. I read the government of Kenya. Okay, then guardian information, we have number 10 is a guardian information. If you are applying for yourself, simply check does not apply. If applying for a minor, enter the guardian's full names and the contact details. So it's an option, or you can opt to fill or just leave it. Contact details. Okay, we are going to contact details. You have to fill in the country, state or province, city or village, postal code, full residential address. You have to fill all those. Now state, like for me is Kenya. Then state or province, I have to fill mine. Like I'm from central province. City or village, postal. Okay, postal code, you have to fill all that. Then address, you have to fill as per where you are born, your email and phone number. Just a minute. Okay, your email and phone number will already be saved from the preliminary. Okay, now you will be asked, do you permanently reside in a different country? Choose yes or no. For example, I will choose yes because I'm staying outside the country. For example, if you're already applying from Qatar, select yes and enter your Qatar ID number. Okay. Expire date of your Qatar ID, you have to write. Then occupation details. Select the current occupation. Here we are being asked, what are we asked here? Current occupation. If you are employed, fill in employer's name, employer's address, state or province, city. Yeah, you have to fill the address of the employer, where you are currently working or you are currently being employed, the address of the company or of your employer, city, postal code, company phone number, company email address. You have to fill everything about your current occupation and the company location or address. Use the details exactly as they appear in your employment conduct. Some contract, their full address of your company, I think, and some they don't have. You have to Google. You have to check online the address of your company if you don't know. Then the purpose of travel, the main purpose of the journey. We have different options. We have work, tourism, visiting, culture, sports, official visit, others. For me, I'm going to choose others. If your purpose is employment, select work, employment, or others. And then employment, depending on the options available. For me, I'm going to choose others, then employment. Travel information, fill in destination, member state. I'm going to choose Poland. Duration of stay, Poland, duration of stay. This is number of entry. I'm choosing multiple entries. Duration of stay 365 days, which is 1 year. Okay. Previous visas, answer. Have you ever been issued a national or a student visa? Yes or no? It depends with you. For me, I'm going to use no because it's the first time. Have your fingerprints ever been collected? If you did first application, meaning your fingerprint was collected. If you say no, yes, then you have to fill the date that you did your biometric or your fingerprint, or you did the application, you went to the embassy. For me, I'm going to use no. Then intended arrival and the departure dates, use the same dates you entered in the preliminary application. If unusual, go back and double check from your preliminary. Okay. Inviting company details, very important. Data of the receiving person, we have to refer it to clause number 31 and 32, which is surname and the given name of the inviting person. Okay. For us here, we are going to choose a company. Company exactly as written in your work permit. You have to fill the company name. Okay. You have to fill. For me, I'm going as a employment visa because we have employment visa. So the inviting person is the company, and you have to write the company name, the address, actually the full address of the company, country, which is in Poland, city, town, postal code of the company. Okay, the name of the company, building number, flat number if provided, company email, company phone number, and all those you will find in your contract copy. All the address information, you double check from your contract copy. If you don't understand your the language, which is in Polish, please you can use the Google Translator. You translate into your preferred language like English, then you will be able to understand, and you will be able to see the address of your company from the contract copy. Okay. You have to fill as per our contract copy the address, phone number, email of the company, all those, address, they are in your contract copy. All these details are found in your work permit, or employment contract. If the contract is in Polish, just translate it using Google Translator or any other translator that you know. Okay. We have to fill everything. I have to fill everything. Filling all the information on the address as per the contract copy. And after filling, I go next. Just let me finish filling, please. If you don't understand anything, if you have any difficult or issues on how to fill the form online, you can also contact me. I will help. Just send an email. My email is in the bio, or you can send a message, or you can leave a message in the comment section. I will check and I will be able to assist you with the application. Okay, we are double checking our contract copy for the actual or the address that is written there, because we have to fill in everything exactly as per our contract copy. This is not guesswork thing. We have to be accurate as per our contract. If you cannot understand the contract that you have because of the language, use any means of translation, then translate it to your preferred language which you can be able to read and understand. Now I'm filling the phone number. Area code is 48 plus 48 is for Polish. I'm going to fill in the phone number. Okay, I've already filled in the phone number, name, and the address of the inviting company, organization. That one, no, we are not going to fill that one. You will be asked who will cover your travel and living expenses. That is next. Okay, let's go to the next question. Scrolling to the next question. Company, organization, that of the person covering the expenses. Okay, here is a sponsor or a hosting company. You have to pick the company as a sponsor stroke hosting company who will cover your travel and living expenses. The company is a sponsor or hosting company. Okay, refer to the company details you filled earlier, then choose your means of support. Means of support, we have cash. Okay, I'm going to take cash. Okay, prepaid accommodation, the company will cover that one, provided by the company. Okay, transport costs, if covered by the company. I'm going to take prepaid accommodations, cash, transport costs, then I'm going to fill in the box monthly salary. Once you start working, you'll be supporting yourself from the monthly salary because you'll be working and you'll be earning monthly. Okay, then another question is EU family member section. If you have anyone in Europe, if you do not have any family member who is in an European Union or a Swiss citizen, simply check does not apply. But if you have, you can say apply. But I prefer you say it does not apply. Okay. Then you go to the next question. European and African application data. Okay. We go to the next question. Go applicants data. At the end of the form, you will see a section containing European country data and African applicant data. Read through this section carefully. It also reminds this application is non-refundable, meaning if your visa is approved, everything is fine. If your visa is refused, the money cannot be refunded. Just go through the application, the form, the list before you check the boxes. So make sure all your information is correct before submitting. Acknowledgement and consent before proceeding. Confirm that you have read the information, you have understood the terms, you agree and give consent to the processing of your application. Check the acknowledgement box and click next, and then press save. Okay, after doing that, confirmation message. After saving, you will see a confirmation of joining the waiting list. Okay, this means your application has been successfully registered. You will receive a form number, a receipt code, a message saying please wait for an email after appointment dates are made available. This confirms that your application has officially entered the lottery system. Okay, and then understanding the lottery system, example Qatar. If you are applying from Qatar, the embassy conducts a weekly draw usually every Saturday. Because you are now on the waiting list, your name will be included in these weekly draws. If your name is selected, you will receive an appointment email confirmation. You are in our email now. Check your email inbox. You should receive an email titled confirmation of registration to the waiting list. Inside the email, you will see your name,